Waylon just tipped over the water bowl dish. Healy thinks it's hilarious. And he's trying to drink it off the ground. Nina told me not to clean it up. So...
Maybe.
He was trying to... He's soaking wet, Nina.
Oh, man.
Maybe stop.
He loves water. Oh, man.
Healy thought it was hilarious. Oh, it slipped. Oh.
Waylon, you are a mess.
He can't even crawl. Maybe no.
Hey, look at this place.
Trouble.